Thank you guys again for coming to the MVP EMBARK kickoff event. I really appreciate everyone joining us online as well. I just want to point out that MVP, we do hundreds of hours of career prep and support with these students every single month through mentoring, workshops, and internship experiences. So that means that these students, on top of going to college full-time, some of them work, have extracurricular activities, and balance home life and personal life, have decided to be an MVP fellow. They decided that the preparation for careers starts now, and that it's important. So welcome to MVP. We just wanted to do this event to be able to show you that we are here for you. The organization exists to see you thrive and to see you grow. MVP is such a large group effort, and it's all of us coming together to pull resources and our ideas and wisdom together to pour into the next generation. So I want you to be a part of this. As a member and supporter of the MVP community, will you pledge to provide mentorship, support, and guidance to the new fellows? Will you commit to fostering an inclusive community, sharing valuable insights and resources? Will you commit to championing diversity, equity, and inclusion within the MVP community and beyond? Fellows, this is your community.